Today, we're going to build automation in Zoho that adds leads or contacts to a Kixie PowerList, so you can start dialing faster without having to switch tabs. Check it out. We're in the setup section of Zoho CRM, and we want to click on workflow rules. And we're going to create a new workflow. We're going to create a new rule, as they call it. So for the module, this depends on whether you're calling leads or contacts. I'm just going to click on leads. And then I'm going to give this some kind of name, like call it Kixie add to PowerList. I hope that's not already taken. I've got a feeling it already is. Awesome. Okay, so now we need to tell Zoho when to fire this Zoho rule. So I'm going to click on select over here, and it's going to be record action and record create. That's only if you want to call the lead as soon as it's created in Zoho. Otherwise, you could click on edit or create or edit. And if you click on edit, it's gonna ask you for more information like what edit should we actually trigger this on. But for right now, we're gonna make it simple. We're just gonna use create. So I'll click on next. And this is like asking you for more information. Like, should I just run this when any lead is created, or maybe only a lead from a certain lead source or whatever. But for this one, I'm just gonna say all leads. So I click on this option. So anytime a new lead is created from any lead source, this is instantly gonna fire. So click on done. Actually, what I would recommend for some is make sure that the phone number is required. Phone number. So I'll type in the phone. Is not empty. Fine. So this is only gonna fire when there's a phone number and a lead is created. Okay, so now we need to create a Kixie action. So we're gonna click on instant actions because we want this to happen right away. And we're gonna select Webhook, and we're basically gonna like call Kixie's API through this Webhook action. So now it either wants you to select an existing action or add a new one. We do already have some existing actions here, but I'm gonna walk you through creating a new API call that essentially sends your Zoho leads or contacts to the Kixie PowerList. So let's go to the API section in Kixie. We go to the Kixie website. And to find the API section, you click on resources and go to developer. And scroll down and click on automations and select add to PowerList. So now we're looking at the actual API to add a lead to a PowerList. So first we need to put in the endpoint. So that's here at the top. So I'll go ahead and copy this. All the way over here, copy, come over here. So I click on configure webhook and I give it a name. We'll call it Kixie add to PowerList action. And you can reuse this later on too. Kind of like how we just saw, there was already saved webhooks that I could select. Once I do the configuration for this add to PowerList action, I can keep on using it in different Zoho workflow rules. So post is good, we'll leave it there. And then URL to notify, that's what we just copied. So I'm gonna paste here, and you're gonna populate the API key with the one that you find from the Kixie dashboard, and you're gonna find your business ID, which is also in the Kixie dashboard. You can find that information by going into the dashboard, clicking on manage, account settings, then selecting integrations. I'll put a link to the comments below that explains how to do that. Over here where it says body, click on type where it says none, select raw. And now you're gonna actually copy the Kixie API payload into this section. So we're gonna go over here, and right from over here, after this little quote, I think it's called a backtick, we're gonna go ahead and copy everything. We're gonna come down to the very bottom, copy this, come over here, and we're going to paste this. Before we do, one more thing, where it says format, we're gonna switch it from text to JSON. And that, by the way, is what this is. All this stuff here is JSON. And we're gonna click. And now we're gonna do some quick mapping. So first, like we need to put our business ID and our API key, the same ones that went into the endpoint. We're gonna put it in over here. You find that from your Kixie dashboard. We also need our PowerList ID. So we'll go over here to the Kixie dashboard PowerList section. And next to every PowerList that you create, there's an ID right over here. And this basically tells Kixie which PowerList to send this lead to. So we come back to the Zoho workflow and we'll plug the PowerList ID in right there. And then we're gonna get rid of this placeholder phone number and we're gonna map the lead's actual lead phone number from Zoho here. So the way to do that is, you see over here where it says type the pound sign to select your merge fields, that's basically mapping the lead information into Kixie. So I'm gonna click on the pound sign, and now I have the option to select properties for my lead. So because this is the target field, target means phone number, so we're gonna click on lead phone. And now the lead phone information is mapping into Kixie. And we would do this for everything else. We have first name, last name, job title. I'm not gonna do all of them, but just to give you an idea, now I select first name, and there it is, lead first name, and so forth. You get the idea. You go ahead and fill that out for all the different fields that we have for add to PowerList. And this is what your reps see in the Power Dialer. Like, you know how when you map spreadsheets into a PowerList, you map the first name, the last name, all that? You're basically doing the same thing here. So now your reps can have all the information that they need to know about the lead readily available in the Power Dialer, so they don't need to jump into the Zoho record unless they really have to. So we'll go ahead and save and associate, and we're good. We've actually created the action, and this is something that you can reuse again later on. So if you wanted to do like another action, you would just click Webhook again. Oh, we can't right now because we already have it selected. Remember earlier when I showed you how there was a bunch of saved ones? I'm just gonna get rid of this. Webhook. Now that action that we just created is saved and reusable. So I can keep on using this in different Zoho workflow rules at any time, and all the mapping and configuration is already done. I just click associate, and there it is. Then once I have it all set up the way I want it, I just click save, and that's it. Go turn it on when you're done, and you're ready to start calling your leads. And that's all it takes to build automation in Zoho that sends your leads or contacts to a Kixie PowerList. Simple, powerful, and built for speed. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks.